So before we start this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us and my two Earthlings.
Yeah, and we have lots of fun slapping videos and other villains. And Mr. Slap is here now.
Ooh, lots of creepy villains on their channel. I'm sure you guys will love it, so make sure to check it out.
And we will begin the video. Let's go.
What's in the bag, Francine?
You'll never know. I really don't know.
What?
I really don't know what set it off.
Hey guys, so today we're at
Magic Kingdom. We're at the Animal Kingdom. Who's excited?
I'm excited.
This girl.
Woo!
Me too.
How far we got?
It's amazing how far we got.
Yeah, that was really quick.
He doesn't look comfortable.
Think he's comfortable? What do you think?
Look at him. It doesn't look fun. It doesn't look fun.
Is he bigger than us?
So Viv, what ride are we in line for?
Avatar.
Avatar, the Flight of Passage.
Vivian, he's like twice. He's like that 6'5" man.
Yes.
Maybe close.
What do you think of him? What do you think so far? We're going to be turned into avatars or banshees.
Comfortable.
Not so much. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm not. I don't like this ride. They jam you into the seats too tight. I don't like. No me gusta.
Smoke this out.
So where are we going next, Bradley?
Dinosaur!
Dinosaur. The line for Pandora is now
As we
90.
said before at the Hollywood Tower, all we have to do is just catch a dinosaur, go back in time and catch a dinosaur. What could go wrong?
That's right. What could go wrong?
Oh wow. You're gonna touch an alligator?
Guys, I want her to touch this
I
alligator.
think he's probably the oldest gator in captivity.
Oh wow. How old
Really?
is he?
He's like 55 or 60 years old.
Wow.
Wow.
Hello.
Hi.
Are you excited for this very fun thrill ride?
Oh yeah, what a thriller.
Is Francine Featherbottom going to be doing the news? Broadcasting live from the Animal Kingdom. It looked a little dangerous up there. How did it feel to ride on the back of a dinosaur?
We were on the front.
How did it feel to ride on a dinosaur? What were your thoughts?
Ready?
Raya.
Viv, look at me.
Cheese. She's
No, look,
pretending to
look.
drive. Cheese.
There you go.
Okay, guys, if you want to go, we're going to go this way. seconds. We're ready to go. Yep, got it ready. Everybody, count them down from 3. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! But sometimes, if you have a parrot that lives in a household, that parrot can learn to mimic household sounds or other human sounds, and this bird will be an example of how that might work. This is Groucho, everybody. You want to say hello? Hello!
Aww.
Groucho is called the yellow-naped Amazon parrot, bird you find in Central and South America. But this bird has lived around people his whole life, so he's learned to take the mimicry thing to another level. Hopefully he's ready to show everybody what we're talking about. All right, Groucho, I hear you getting warmed up. That's a good sign. But first, Groucho, all these people have been so nice, patient, hanging out in our theater. How about we give everybody out here a big old kiss? Good stuff. Okay, so 6 songs we haven't heard yet he gets to choose from. We never know what he's going to do. We heard Countdown Races. What do you got for the next one? Ready?
Now, black rhinos are a very solitary animal. They spend most of their lifetime by themselves. It's just how they like to do things. They will sometimes say hi to other rhinos, and mothers will stay with their calves for a short while, but generally they are by themselves. They're about 3,000 pounds or so when fully grown and can run at speeds of up to 35 miles an hour. Now, sadly, there are less than 5,000 of them left in the wild due to constant poaching for their horns. This is a Maasai. Maasai giraffe have more jagged edges to their spots, and their spot pattern is a little bit more irregular in shape and pattern. Where if you look up reticulated giraffes, they actually have more of a rounded edge or a flat edge to their spots. There's a few more giraffes up here. They do love to eat, giraffes. They will spend about 23.5 hours of their day doing so. Eating so much that they almost forget to sleep, as a giraffe will only sleep for about 30 minutes each day.
I can accomplish so much if I only slept.
Oh, the baby.
Hello, baby. Oh, he's so cute.
Now over here to our left-hand side are greater flamingo. Now they're actually the largest and lightest in pink color. It takes them about 2 years or so to turn this nice light pink color, as they're actually born completely white and gradually turn this color. Now what's really cool is if you take a look to where they bend their legs backwards, those are actually their ankles, and everything below that are their feet. So the flat parts that we see them standing on all day, those are actually their toes. And you can even see a couple right there that have blacker legs. That just means they're still very young and haven't eaten enough of that brine shrimp and plankton that will give them that nice light pink color. 3 years out of their lifespan, which is around 18 years or so. So they spend most of their lifetime asleep. It's that male's job to protect the territory in cubs, where females go out to do the hunting. And then right there to our right side is another one of those white rhinos. Since white rhinos are so social, one of the things they do to get to know each other is to sniff each other's dung. They have communal dung heaps. So just by sniffing each other's dung, they can learn how old each one is, how healthy they are, and if they're of good maturity to mate with, all by sniffing each other's dung.
Wow.
Now, something about ostriches is also really cool is that ostriches will sometimes eat small rocks and sand as a way to help digest their food.
How does it taste?
Really good. Yeah.
Really good? Is it amazing?
Yeah.
Best ice cream ever? Delicious?
Hey guys, okay, so we're back and we will be opening up these park paths, and we also did all rides except Bradley because he didn't want to go on Mount Everest.
You didn't go on Expedition Everest, but other than that, we did every single attraction in the animal kingdom. We conquered the kingdom. So we have these super cute park pals. I don't know what they are. They're collectibles. And you can get any one of these characters, these super cute Disney characters.
Can you help me unbox the... Oh, I got it.
We're going to see. We have 3 of them. These were at the animal kingdom. Let's see who you get. You get Stitch or Angel? Who's in there?
And I got Simba.
Oh, those are cute.
I got a little car.
Look at it, and then you can build a car for it. That's so cute. Is that Simba or Nala? I think that's Simba. Yeah. You gonna open up the other ones? Oh, it comes with a car. I think you can build your own vehicle. Like there's stuff in there, like cutout stuff, and then you can assemble the vehicle.
Oh, okay.
With that.
I'm mostly focused on.
Ain't nobody got time for that. We're interested in the
Tomorrow
characters.
we leave it. No, it's the next after.
No,
the day after
tomorrow is our last full day in Disney. It's very sad. But we will come back.
Oh, all the cars look the same.
Oh, and then you just build the top. Oh, I see green. Is that Pascal? Mine.
That's Pascal.
Dibs.
No.
Dibs.
No.
I'm claiming that one. Let me see. Oh, I love Pascal. He's so cute. That's so cute. I just love Disney stuff. And I got this yummy, delicious confetti popcorn.
I got Simba.
That costs $7. You got dupes.
I can give it to Vivian.
You could give it to Vivian.
Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe, bye.